Hello everyone, assalam. Welcome back to THAAZ Passion. Hope you all are doing good. I am also fine here. As we reach 50th episode, I am posting 3 recipes today. A complete lunch recipe, a spicy chicken curry, a mixed raitha and a ghee rice. Check out the ingredients. Let's get started. First, let's prepare a chicken curry. Heat the pan. Add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Let's add whole spices, that is 2 cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks and 1 cardamom. Saute it for 30 seconds. Now add 3 large onions, finely chopped onions. Now saute it till it becomes golden brown. As this is a spicy chicken curry, always try to use coconut oil. You can also use the sunflower oil, but it won't give the same taste for the curry. Now the onion is becoming transparent. At this time, let's add a fresh curry leaves into it and saute it. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste into it and saute it for 1 minute. Now the onions have become golden in color, so let's add the powders. First add half teaspoon of turmeric powder into it and saute it. Adding 3 teaspoons of chili powder into it. Now saute well till the raw smell goes. Here I am using Kashmiri red chili powder. This is less spicy also. This powder gives good color to our curry. When we add the masala powder, always put the flame into low or else it will burn. Now the raw smell has gone. Let's add the tomatoes into it. Adding 2 large chopped tomatoes and saute it. Now add enough salt into it and mix it well. Try to put salt always after adding tomatoes, which makes the tomatoes cook fast. Before closing the lid, spread it evenly so the tomatoes cook very soon. Now our tomatoes have become mushy. Give it a good mix and let's add the chicken pieces into it. Adding 1 kg of chicken into it and give it a good mix. Sorry for the sound disturbance as there is a construction is going on. Meanwhile, let's make a chili paste. Taking 3 cloves of garlic and 3 red chili. Now soak this in a hot water for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's grind this into a fine paste. Now it's done. Check the chicken. Now the chicken is half cooked. At this time, let's add a yogurt. Always try to beat the yogurt before adding, or else it gets lumps on the curry. So adding 2 tablespoons of yogurt into this and mix it well. Adding yogurt will balance the spiciness. Now let's add a 1 teaspoon of garam masala into the curry and mix it well. Close the lid and cook it for some time. Now add the grinded paste and add 1/4 cup of water into it. Always try to add hot water. If we add cold water, it will lose the taste of the curry. Close the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Finally, add half of the lemon juice and mix it well. Check whether the curry is done or not. One more trick to find the curry is cooked or not is, you can see the oil oozes outside from all the sides. That means the curry is done. Now garnish with coriander leaf. Switch off the flame. Let's serve the curry. For raita, I am taking half of the tomato, half of the onion, 2 slices of apple, 1 cucumber, half of carrot and 2 tablespoons of pomegranate. Now let's finely chop these ingredients. Now add 1 cup of yogurt into a mixing bowl. Add enough salt. Now add half teaspoon of pepper powder and mix it well. Now beat it till it becomes smooth. Let it combine well. You can use spatula also. Should blend very smooth. Now add all the chopped ingredients into a mixing bowl. Don't add the tomatoes now. Add all other ingredients. Now add the beaten yogurt and mix it well. Mix it well till it gets combined. Now it's combined. Now add the chopped tomatoes into it and mix it. You can also use chopped coriander leaves into this. Now our raita is ready to serve. For the ghee rice, I am taking jeeragashala rice. Soak this at least half an hour before preparing. Heat the pan, add 3 tablespoons of ghee into it. Add the whole spices and saute for 30 seconds. Add 1 sliced onion into it and saute for a minute or till it becomes golden in color. For the color, I am using half teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is optional. Now saute it. Now add the rice and mix it well. Saute it for 1 minute. Have posted the ghee rice recipe before. You can check the iCard above or will be posting in the description below. Now add the water. Here I am using 4.5 glass of water as I am taking 3 glass of rice. Use hot water. Stir it occasionally. Adding carrots. This is also optional. Add enough salt and half teaspoon of lemon juice. Now mix it well and cook it 3/4 done. Now the water is getting dry. Let's cover with the foil paper and cook it for about 12 minutes in a low flame. It's been 15 minutes now. Let's check our ghee rice. Yes, it's perfectly cooked. Let's serve the ghee rice. Finally, my lunch is ready. Today's special spicy chicken curry, yummy ghee rice and mixed raitha. Friends, give it a try and let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share with your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For more updates, press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.